Hi everyone, in front of me I've got TECNO Spark 20 Pro Plus, and let me share with you how to change the ringtone on this device. So let's begin with opening the settings, and here we need to scroll and find sound and vibration. Then let's go to this ringtone section and choose either the ringtone for the first SIM card or second one. So as you can see, you can set completely different ringtone for the first one, for example. You can divide them. So I'll show you how to do it for the first SIM card, but basically the whole process is the same. So let me tap on the ringtone, and here we've been transferred to the full list of pre-installed ringtones from which we can choose. At the bottom we've got the option add ringtone, which means that you can enter your own files, and if you've got something, for example, downloaded or recorded, then you will be able to choose it from your files. They should appear somewhere here in the file manager, for example, or on your Google Drive. You need to find it. And on the other hand, at the very top of the list, we've got the option none, which means that after choosing it, your device will not use any kind of sound to notify about the incoming call, so it will be silent. If you wish to listen how the particular ringtone sounds, you simply need to tap on it. So, for example, this one. Let me volume it down, and basically this is how it works. So let's pretend I want this joyful to be set as my ringtone, so just tap on it, make sure that it is marked, and then go back. And as you can see, it is immediately notified right here, which means that from now on our device will use the chosen ringtone to notify us about the incoming call. Alright, so that will be all. Thank you so much for watching. Please hit the subscribe button and leave the thumbs up.